नमस्कार। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, भारत की आज़ादी के 75 साल पूरे होने पर हमारा देश आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव मना रहा है। ये एक बेहतरीन मौका है जिसमें हम अपने ग्लोरियस हिस्ट्री, अपनी संस्कृति और अपने महान सेनानियों को याद कर आनंदित हो रहे हैं। इस कड़ी में अगर देश के डॉक्टर्स के योगदानों की बात न करें तो ये महोत्सव अधूरा लगेगा। इसी को ध्यान में रखकर हमने पद्म पुरस्कार से सम्मानित डॉक्टर्स के योगदानों को याद करने के लिए पद्मा डॉक्टर सम्मेलन का आयोजन किया है। उन डॉक्टरों को जिन्होंने देश के हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम की दिशा और दशा बदलने में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई है। ये हमारा सौभाग्य है कि हमने आज ऐसे तमाम पद्मा डॉक्टर्स को एक मंच पर लाने का काम किया है। ये हेल्थ केयर सेक्टर्स के हस्ताक्षर हैं जिन्होंने देश के डॉक्टर्स की क्रेडिबिलिटी को न सिर्फ स्थापित किया बल्कि अफोर्डेबल और एक्सेसिबल स्वास्थ्य सेवा का मार्ग प्रशस्त किया। आज हम इनको सम्मानित नहीं कर रहे हैं बल्कि इनकी उपस्थिति से हम सम्मानित हो रहे हैं। इनके अनुभव और ज्ञान से लाभ उठाकर हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम को और समृद्ध कैसे बनाएं, इस बात पर विचार करने की जरूरत है।
Dr. Dinesh K. Bhargava is a former professor of gastroenterology, AIIMS, New Delhi. He is known for introducing diagnostic and therapeutic endoscopic procedures at AIIMS, New Delhi. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2008. Dr. Prahladkumar Sethi is an Indian physician, medical writer, and the chairman of the Department of Neurology at Sir Ganga Ram Hospital, New Delhi. He is the founder of the Delhi-based Brain Care Foundation, which spreads awareness about brain illness. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2002. Dr. D S Rana is an Indian nephrologist and chairman of the Department of Nephrology at Sir Ganga Ram Hospital, New Delhi. He founded Parvati Education and Health Society, which operates a small 5-bedded hospital in his native village. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2009. Dr. Pradeepkumar Jobe is an Indian surgeon known for laparoscopic and bariatric surgeries. He is founder of Minimal Access Metabolic and Bariatric Surgery Center at Sir Ganga Ram Hospital, New Delhi. He has performed over 80,000 major minimal access surgeries between 1992 and 2018. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2002. Dr. Vijaykumarvinayak Dongre is a veteran dermatologist and social worker dedicated his life to working for leprosy patients. As per estimates, there were approx 40 lakh leprosy patients in India in 1981, but after the efforts of Dr. Dongre and others, this has come down to 83,000. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2022. Dr. Kamal Kumar Sethi is an Indian cardiologist, medical academician and administrator. He is the chairman and managing director of the Delhi Heart and Lung Institute. He is known for the performance of first catheter ablation in India. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2006. Dr. Ram Harsh Singh was the founder and Vice Chancellor of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan Rajasthan Ayurveda University. He is an Emeritus Professor of Banaras Hindu University and National Professor at Ministry of Ayush, the Government of India. His research on Ayurveda has been documented by way of over 200 research papers and 15 textbooks. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2016. Dr. KM Chopra is an Indian heart surgeon. He performed India's first coronary artery bypass surgery and considered a pioneer of pediatric cardiac surgery in the country. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 1991. Dr. Keval Kishan Talwar is a renowned cardiologist and the former chairman of Medical Council of India. He performed the first implantation of implantable cardioverter defibrillator therapy in South Asia. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Bhushan in 2006. Dr. Alka Kriplani is an Indian gynecologist known for her contributions to the field of reproductive endocrinology and gynecological endoscopy. The Government of India conferred on her Padma Shri in 2015. Dr. Arvind Lal is an Indian pathologist, medical administrator and chairman and managing director of Dr. Lal Path Labs, a medical diagnostic center. Dr. Arvind Lal has brought international recognition to Indian healthcare industry in the form of accreditation from College of American Pathologists. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2009. Dr. Arunoday Mondal, popularly known as Sundar Banar Sujan, who established Sujan, a charitable outdoor clinic in 2000 at Roypara, Sahib Khali, North 24 Paranganas in the remotest areas of Sundarban, where there was no connectivity, no electricity and scarcity of drinking water. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2020. Professor Dr. M. Vali is an Indian cardiologist. Currently, he is working as a consultant at Sir Ganga Ram Hospital, New Delhi. He has the distinction of serving 3 presidents of India, Mr. R. Venkataraman, Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma, and Dr. Pranab Mukherjee. He is credited to have introduced geriatric medicine in India. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2007. Dr. Digambar Behra is an eminent pulmonologist in India. He is a pioneer in lung cancer chemotherapy and founder-president Indian Society for Study of Lung Cancer. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2020. Dr. Trilochan Sinclair is an Indian interventional cardiologist, medical administrator, writer and chairman at Fortis Heart and Vascular Institute, Gurugram and Fortis Hospital, Vasant Kunj, New Delhi. He has performed over 25,000 coronary, renal, carotid and peripheral angioplasties. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Bhushan in 2005. Dr. A.K. Grover is a prominent name in the realm of ophthalmology. He is credited to have brought the specialty of oculoplastic surgery to the forefront while being at Sir Ganga Ram Hospital, New Delhi. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2009. Dr. Malvika Sabarwal is an Indian gynecologist and obstetrician at the Nova Speciality Hospitals of Apollo Healthcare Group. She is known to have conducted several free health camps for women, children and employees. The Government of India conferred on her Padma Shri in 2008. Dr. Chandrakanth S Pandov is the former head of Department of Community Medicine at AIIMS, New Delhi. His instrumental role in the iodinization of salt in India made him the Iodine Man of India. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2021. Dr. Purushottam Lal is an internationally acclaimed Indian interventional cardiologist. He performed the first case of non-surgical heart hole closer in the world. He founded Metro Heart Institute in 1997 for quality and affordable healthcare. For his contributions, the Government of India conferred on him Padma Vibhushan in 2009, Padma Bhushan in 2003. Dr. Ganesh Kumar Mani is the chairman of Cardiothoracic Vascular Surgery at MAC Super Speciality Hospital, Saket City Hospital, New Delhi. He is the cardiothoracic and vascular surgeon reported to have performed over 20,500 coronary artery bypass surgeries. He is considered a pioneer of a technique known as beating heart coronary artery bypass. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2013. Dr. Ashok Seth is an Indian interventional cardiologist credited with the performance of over 50,000 angiograms and 20,000 angioplasties. He has pioneered numerous angioplasty techniques for India and the Asia Pacific. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Bhushan in 2015 and Padma Shri in 2003. Dr. Prijendra Kumar is an Indian anesthesiologist and critical care specialist. He has done pioneering work in respiratory care practices in India. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Bhushan in 2009. Dr. Rajesh Kumar Grover is an Indian oncologist, former director and chief executive officer of Delhi State Cancer Institute, New Delhi. He has propounded various new concepts in radiology and oncology, and its technological innovations. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2014. Dr. Jitendra Mohan Hans is an Indian otorhinolaryngologist, medical researcher, and inventor of Hans speech valve for speech rehabilitation and laryngeal cancer surgery. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2005. Dr. Ravikant is a professor of surgery at Sharda University. He is the former director of AIIMS Rishikesh and vice chancellor of King George's Medical University. He has been instrumental in starting the organ donation program and retrieval of organs from brain dead patients. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2016. Dr. Jagat Ram is an ophthalmologist and former director of Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, Chandigarh, India. He organized over 150 free mega camps for the rural population. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2019. Dr. Shivnaran Kuril is an Indian pediatric surgeon. He is an academician, writer, administrator, and HOD of pediatric surgery at King George's Medical University, Lucknow, UP. Pioneered the single-stage surgical technique for congenital problems in India. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2016. Dr. Raman Kumar is an Indian medical acupuncturist and author. He is also the head of Department of Acupuncture at Sir Ganga Ram Hospital, New Delhi. He has written 4 books on acupuncture and soft lasers. His papers and articles have been published in various national and international journals. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2008, making him the first acupuncturist to receive the award. Dr. Professor A.K. Bhalla is an eminent nephrologist from New Delhi. He has played a pivotal role in starting CAPD in India. He pioneered in peritoneal dialysis as a modality for renal replacement therapy in India. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2008. Dr. Randeep Guleria is an eminent pulmonologist and the current director of AIIMS New Delhi. He is credited with efforts in establishing a Center for Respiratory Disease and Sleep Medicine at AIIMS, which is reported to be first in India. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2015. Dr. Shadab Mohammed is the professor and HOD of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery, King George's Medical University. He has got published a book on oral and maxillofacial surgery. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2019. Dr. Balbir Singh is a renowned Indian interventional cardiologist and cardiac electrophysiologist. He has pioneered several new techniques in invasive cardiology. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2007. Dr. Balram Garg is the former Director General of Indian Council of Medical Research. He is Secretary of India's Department of Health Research since April 2018. Pioneered the development of indigenous low-cost coronary stents that have benefited several thousand patients. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2014. Dr. Rajesh Koticha is an Indian Ayurveda physician. He is Secretary of Ministry of Ayush in the Government of India. He is the author of concept of Atattva Bhinivesha in Ayurveda, which discusses minor psychiatric disorders within Ayurveda parameters. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2014. Dr. M.V. Padma Srivastva is an Indian neurologist. She is the Professor of Neurology at AIIMS New Delhi. The Government of India conferred on her Padma Shri in 2016. Dr. Samitra Raghav is an Indian surgical gastroenterologist. He is the head of surgical gastroenterology and liver transplant at Sir Ganga Ram Hospital, New Delhi. He and his team are credited with introducing robotic and laparoscopic surgery for gastrointestinal cancer to India. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2015. Dr. Anil Kohli is an Indian dental surgeon. He is a medical administrator and the former president of the Dental Council of India. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Bhushan in 2005 and Padma Shri in 1992. Dr. Yosh Gulati is an Indian orthopedic surgeon and senior consultant orthopedic surgeon at Indraprastha Apollo Hospital, New Delhi. He pioneered the concept of gyroscope-based computer navigation for knee replacement in India and has the largest series of total knee replacement with eye assist navigation technique. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2009. Dr. Praveen Chandra is an Indian cardiologist and chairman of interventional cardiology at Medanta, the Medicity, Gurgaon. He has performed first percutaneous aortic valve implantation without surgery in India. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2016. Dr. Mahipal S Sachdev, an Indian ophthalmologist, ventured into the technique of phacoemulsification for cataract surgery in India. He pioneered blade-free femtocataract technology. He installed Xaroptex. He introduced phakic IOLs in India. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2007. Dr. Anub Misra is an Indian endocrinologist and former honorary physician to Prime Minister of India. He is credited with developing dietary and exercise guidelines for Indians. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2007. Dr. Neelam Chandra is an Indian neonatologist. She is known for her pioneering work on neonatal intensive care and ventilation. The Government of India conferred on her Padma Bhushan in 2014. Dr. Harsh Mahajan is an Indian radiologist and one of the pioneers of imaging technology in India. He has served as the honorary radiologist to the President of India and as honorary consultant to the International Atomic Energy Agency. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Bhushan in 2002. Dr. Mahesh Verma is an Indian prosthodontist. He has helped develop MAIDS, the dental wing of Maulana Azad Medical College. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2014. Dr. Amrish Mithal is the head of endocrinology and diabetes at Max Healthcare, Pan Max Saket, New Delhi. He established India's first bone density measurement system and osteoporosis services in SGPGIMS, Lucknow in 1997. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Bhushan in 2015. Dr. Lalit Kumar is an Indian oncologist known to have contributed to the development of low-cost medical facilities in Delhi. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2014. Dr. Jagat Singh is the former Dean and Professor of AIIMS, New Delhi. He is the Senior Consultant of General Medicine at Sitaram Bhatia Institute of Science and Research and Emeritus Professor of the National Academy of Medical Sciences. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2003. Dr. Upendra Kaul is the Chairman of Batra Heart Center Institute at Batra Hospital and Medical Research Center, New Delhi. He is known for his expertise in procedures such as percutaneous cardiopulmonary bypass, rotational and directional atherectomy, coronary stenting, and percutaneous laser myocardial revascularization. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2006. Dr. Randhir Sood is the chairman of Medanta Institute of Digestive and Hepatobiliary Sciences. He is credited with establishing and integrating therapy with GI endoscopy in India through training and live workshops. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2008. Dr. Sandeep Guleria is a senior consultant surgeon in general surgery, GI surgery, and transplantation at Indraprastha Apollo Hospital. He is credited with having done the first 2 successful kidney pancreas transplants in the subcontinent. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2019. Dr. M. Khalilullah is an Indian cardiologist. He is former HOD of Cardiology, GB Pant Hospital, New Delhi. He has authored the first textbook of cardiology in India. He is credited to have developed India's first indigenous pacemaker. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Bhushan in 1990 and Padma Shri in 1984. Dr. Nitish Nayak is an Indian cardiologist. He has done pioneering work in the field of interventional cardiology. The Government of India conferred on him Padma Shri in 2014.
आजादी के 75 साल में हासिल उपलब्धियों के बाद आने वाला 25 साल देश की स्वास्थ्य व्यवस्था के लिए काफी महत्वपूर्ण होगा, खासकर पद्मा डॉक्टर्स की भूमिका को लेकर। देश को अभी कई बड़ी स्वास्थ्य चुनौतियों से लड़ना है, मसलन टीबी, अनेमिया, नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज, वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड हेल्थ, रूरल हेल्थ आदि। और ये सभी पद्धतियों को साथ मिलकर करना होगा, यानी ऑल्टरनेट मेडिसिन के साथ मिलकर, और तभी अगले 25 साल का लक्ष्य पूरा हो सकेगा, इंडिया को दुनिया का हेल्थ कैपिटल बनाने का लक्ष्य।
भाई और बहनों, अगर भारत के हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम को ट्रांसफॉर्म करना है, स्वस्थ समाज का निर्माण करना है, तो हमें होलिस्टिक सोच के साथ काम करना होगा। पारंपरिक और आधुनिक इलाज की साझा ताकत को मजबूत करना होगा। आयुष और मॉडर्न हेल्थ केयर का एक साथ एक बराबर विकास होगा, तभी बेहतर स्वास्थ्य समाधान हम तैयार कर पाएंगे। साथियों, आयुष्मान भारत योजना इसी सोच का परिणाम है।